Can a luxury sedan this fast really dominate both the racetrack and the highway? The 2025 BMW M5 isn't just a performance machine, it's a revolution in everyday thrill. You're watching CARZ Trends. Let's explore how the M5 brings balance to brutal speed and real-world comfort. Under the hood, the M5 packs a reworked 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, now producing over 617 horsepower in the standard version and a jaw-dropping 626 horsepower in the competition trim. Paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, this powerhouse launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Yet, it doesn't feel like a beast that's hard to tame. It's precision wrapped in luxury, giving drivers the best of both worlds, German engineering and everyday usability. And step inside, and you're greeted by BMW's signature blend of minimalist design and technology dominance. The curved dual-display layout spans across the dash, powered by iDrive 8.5 software. Crisp graphics, real-time telemetry, and intuitive gesture control put the driver in full command. Soft-touch materials, merino leather seats with bolstering, and ambient lighting set a tone that's business-class refined, but with just enough edge to remind you it's still an M car. And in ride quality is where the 2025 M5 truly excels. With adaptive M suspension, electronically controlled dampers, and active roll stabilization, the M5 adjusts instantly to your driving mood. On the freeway, it cruises like a flagship 7 Series. In sport mode, it carves corners with surgical precision. Rear-wheel bias kicks in at speed, offering that traditional M-style oversteer when you want it, and stability when you need it. What about competition? The Mercedes-AMG E63 offers a similar engine output, but where the Benz feels more aggressive, the M5 feels more polished. Audi's RS7 is close on paper, but lacks the M5's track-honed balance. Even the Porsche Panamera Turbo e-Hybrid doesn't quite blend ride comfort and chassis dynamics the way this BMW does, and daily driving an M5 in the US, you'll love the standard driver assist tech, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors all included. The EPA estimates around 15 MPG city and 21 MPG highway, which isn't great, but considering its performance pedigree, it's the expected trade-off. And yes, insurance and maintenance will cost more than your average 5 Series, but that's the price of living with a machine this potent. In-end customization is key this year. Buyers can spec new matte color finishes, carbon fiber roof, black M Shadowline trim, and 20-inch forged wheels. For those going all in, BMW's M Performance Parts catalog includes a carbon diffuser, rear wing, and ceramic brakes for enhanced performance and aesthetic aggression. And in eyes, the 2025 BMW M5 the best all-around performance sedan in the world? For many enthusiasts, the answer is yes. It balances brute force with everyday drivability better than almost anything else in its class. From Autobahn to back road to boulevard, this car doesn't just show up,